Class 10, let's continue the climatic data. Turn page number 116 and just see question number 27, C part. Study the climatic data provided below and answer the questions that follow. See here, two stations are given, station A and station B. Right, station A, it's written there sea level, and station B, that is above the sea level, and 800 meter, it's written 800 meter above the sea level. Right, now see station A temperature, it's given in degree Celsius. January 24.4 degrees Celsius, February 25.4 degrees Celsius, March 26.7 degrees Celsius, and so on. Now station A rainfall, if you see, 0.1 in January and February it is recorded, March it is 0.5 centimeter, April 0.6, and so on. And station B also, the temperature it's given 8.1 in degree Celsius in January, then February 8.9. So if you see the maximum temperature recorded here, so it is when it is recorded in which month? In which month? If you see 25.2 degrees Celsius is the maximum in station B, so it is recorded in May month, right? And if you see rainfall here, rainfall January 0.4 centimeter, February 0.3, March 0.3 centimeter, and so on. And November and December, if you see station B, how much it is recorded, 0.4 centimeter, and December 0.4 centimeter in November and 0.3 in December. 0.3 centimeter. Okay, let's do the exercises. Now question number 27C, first part. Calculate the annual range of temperature of station A and suggest a reason why the range is small 1. So what we'll do in annual range of temperature, you all are aware that how we'll calculate annual range of temperature. This range word is very important. So range means maximum temperature recorded minus minimum temperature recorded of what? Which station? Of which station? Station A. So you are supposed to calculate the range of temperature of station A, not station B, right? So if you see station A here, station A, the maximum, so maximum is this one, May month, 30.0 degree Celsius, right? And if you see the minimum is how much? Minimum is 24.8, less than 24.8, yes, 24.4. 24.4 degrees Celsius is the lowest temperature recorded, and minimum temperature recorded, and maximum is 30.0. So children, what you are going to do is you are going to subtract this 30.0, yeah, 30 centimeter 30 degrees Celsius, this 24.4 degrees Celsius from 30 degree Celsius, right? So the answer will be 5.6 degrees Celsius. Now 5.6 degrees Celsius is your annual range of temperature of station A. Clear? Okay. Now children, see the second part answer. Suggest a reason why the range is small 1. Why that 5.6 degrees Celsius, that annual range which we have taken out, that is small 1. Because you see here station A, clue it's given there, sea level. So sea level means this station A is just next to the sea, near to the sea. Right, so near to the sea means there is an influence of water body, influence of sea. So it has what? The range, the annual range is a small 1 in station A. Right? Okay. Now second part question, which of the two station has a lower temperature and why? So lower temperature, if you see, lower temperature means station B has lower temperature. Why? The reason is, it's given here clue, 800 meter above the sea level. That means this is at the high, or the station is at the high altitude. Station is situated at 800 meter above the sea level, because as we move on the higher altitude, the temperature decreases. So if we compare to station A, station B has lower temperature, right? Okay, now next, calculate the annual rainfall of station B. I already told you how you'll find out annual rainfall. You are going to add all these months rainfall, like 0.4 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 1.1 plus 1.1 and so on, and the last one is 0.3, and it's coming out 31.8 centimeter. So 31.8 centimeter. Answer is this, and this centimeter is must. If you don't write centimeter or degree Celsius in temperature, you lose the marks, right? Okay. This much for today, children. We'll continue in the with the same chapter in the next video.